I am happy today that our Honorable Chief Minister, in the remote place of ours, Kankana, the last corner, he sends delegation to see how best all the people of Kankana are vaccinated. And I am happy to receive you all and for your nice discussion, for your guidance for us, for the guidance for our doctors here, for Deputy Collector and Mamladar, how to go about vaccinating all the people of Kankana. We have come to the conclusion that we will do the vaccination starting from tomorrow again in 2 centers, so that in full swing that every individual takes vaccination. I also give a call to all the elected representatives, all elected representatives of Kankana Taluka to participate in this endeavor of giving vaccination. I request with folded hands, all the elected representatives, today is for us to save the lives. We have to do our best, and that is the duty we have been entrusted upon, to be one above to help them. Go out of the way. So I request all my friends, everybody to come out in the open, take the risk of your life. Everybody is taking a risk. Take the risk of your life and see that our camps of vaccination are 100% successful in every ward of this place. Last not but the least, this is if sometimes we require some help from prominent citizens. There are many well-to-do prominent citizens in Kankana. I request you, please give something of yours to this for the benefit of the people of Kankana. Some way or other you can help. I don't naming anything, but come out and help. For example, I must thank my revenue minister. When I just told her, Jennifer Mansara, that I need some oximeters, she said, how many you want? I said, I don't know how many they require, but I want some. So I'll give you 30. She soon sent me these 30 oximeters. फाल्या दोतरां साल प्रमाणे फाल्या लोलयेन पयलीं हांव मागता एवरी सरपंच, एवरी डेप्युटी सरपंच आनी एवरी पंच आपआपल्या वॉर्डान भोंवून लोकांक भायर काडपाक तुमचो हेल्प जाय आमकां, आनी तुमी वचोंकूच जाय कंपल्सरी, की तुमच्या वॉर्डान एक मनशाक दवरनाका हें वॅक्सीन घेतले शिवाय.
फाल्यां आमी अबव 45 एज ग्रुप जो आसा ते वॅक्सिनेशन ड्रायव्ह जो आसा तो फर्स्ट दामोदर हायस्कूल लोलयें, सेकंड आसा ते श्रद्धानंद स्कूल पैंगीण. टायमींग आसतलो 9 ते 2 पर्यंत. 2 रजिस्ट्रेशन चालू उरतलें, 4 पर्यंत चालू उरतलें. एज ग्रुप जो आसा तो अबव 45 वॅक्सिनेशन.
2 मिनिट
पंचायत वायज घेता तुमी आतां? पंचायत वायज
आतां आमी पयलीं पंचायत वाज स्टार्ट केला, मागीर श्रीस्थळ आसतलें, आगोंदा, खोला.
सो फार जी पंचायत वायज ड्रायव्ह जाला तांकां रिस्पॉन्स कसो आशिल्लो लोकांलो?
आमचे पयलीं ड्रायव्ह केला ताका बरो रिस्पॉन्स जाल्लो. खूब लोक आयले, 300 थोडे पंचायतीन 300 वयर आशिल्ले, पूण बरो रिस्पॉन्स जाल्लो.